You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? An interesting word from medicine, the name of a procedure. For more medical terms, make sure to stay tuned. Let's break it down. Hysteroscopy. Hysteroscopy. The stress on the third ros syllable. Hysteroscopy. Easy. Hysteroscopy. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.